Hi, this is Jen at Dizzy Quilter. I have my Island Batik Ambassador box finally arrived. I'm going to open it for you and show you what it is. Before I do, everything that I got in this box was courtesy of Island Batik, Orifil Thread, and Hobbs Batting. They chose 49 ambassadors this year, and we all get a box personalized to our preferences, and we get to make things all year long as part of their challenges. So, the first thing is a surprise that I can't show you. It's fabric that's going to be released at market this year. There's a Hobbs cotton batting. It's the 100% cotton batting one. I always get tricked by the one that's 80-20 because it also says cotton, but this is all cotton. It's twin size. Then there's a Thermore batting. I've heard a little bit about this. It's a really thin cotton batting. We'll give that a try. A Hobbs, a batting sample chart. Charts are my favorite. There's that. There is some Orifil thread. Here's a cone of white. And a bunch of, a variegated one. That's pretty. Some green, purple, all Orifil threads. Looks like I'm going to have a colorful year. Oh, another one. Some information on Orifil. Brochures. I guess I'll share those at my guild meetings. Alright, and here's for the fun stuff. There is a beautiful rayon scarf. I hope I don't have to make something with that. Red rayon fabric, 2 yards. That'll be fun to play with. A fat quarter bundle for Galentine's Day. I'll be making a mini later. I've got red, pink, a nice neutral with some lavender, and more pink and more red. Wow, there's 5. Isn't that pretty? A bundle of fat eighths of alpine ice. This blue and white fabric, and then 1.5 yards of this coordinating fabric. Those are really pretty. And I make a lot of blue and white quilts. There's stash builder bundles. These are 5-inch by width of fabric strips, so they're like double jelly rolls. And I think each one has 4 or 5 colors in them. They're very pretty. They said that I could share those, but I don't know about that. Here is a strip pack of Mountain's Majesty. It's all greens and purples and neutrals, and there's some neutral backgrounds. There's this brown and this other neutral, green and yellow. It's very pretty. That'll be something interesting. So there are 3 yards of this neutral, which is Oatmeal Sunflower Serenade with a grassy print. That's really pretty. And a Batik Foundations bundle. So these are some aqua, this one's called Parakeet. Some orange, pink, green and orange and purple and blue. This is going to be so much fun this year. I'll have a blog post up later with close-ups and more information on it. But for now, that was what was in my Island Batik Ambassador box. And I can't wait to get into the studio. Bye.